Solve the following. Exercise 4.3. Solve the following. Good morning. Good morning. Solve the following. Leave 2 pages. Leave 2 pages. So leave 2 pages. Now let us solve 1 upon 10. This is plus 2 upon 10. So plus means addition. 1 upon 10 is a fraction, 2 upon 10 is a fraction. Between them we have plus sign. That means we want to add 2 fractions. Plus sign means we want to add 2 fractions. Plus sign means we want to add 2 fractions. Now we can add or subtract any 2 fractions provided they are like fraction. They are like fraction. We can add and subtract like fractions. But 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, what is denominator? Denominator is 10. Denominator is 10. So whenever denominator is same, they are like fractions. And we can add or subtract like fractions. This you remember. You can add or subtract like fractions. If they are not like fractions, you have to convert them into like fractions. So 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10, denominator is 10, 10 they are like fraction. So I will take the denominator common, that is 10. I will take the denominator common, that is 10. And then I will add the numerator, 1 plus 2. You have to add the numerator. You have to take the denominator common, 10, 10. And then you have to add the numerator. Numerator is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3 upon 10. So the answer is 3 upon 10. We can add or subtract like fractions. So 1 upon 10. Yes. 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. Now 1 upon 10. Yes. 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. They are like fractions. They are like fractions. No, now it is clear. Board is now very much clear. 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10. Denominator is 10, 10. They are like fraction. I can take common denominator 10. Then I will add the numerator. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3 upon 10. The answer is 3 upon 10. So B, C, D, E, F, yes. So B, see all of you are having B is 1 upon 5 plus 2. 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. This will be homework. Then C, 1 upon 9 plus 8 upon 9. This will be homework. Because all are given like fraction. 2 upon 5. D 5 upon 8 plus 6 upon 8. Whenever they are like fraction, you can directly add the numerator. E 1 upon 7 plus 11 upon 7. You can add the numerators because they are like fractions. F 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. They are like fraction, you can add them. Now G I will do. So all these are homework. They are like fraction. 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Okay. Yes. This will be 1 plus 8, 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9 will be 1. 9 upon 9. Yes. 9 upon 9, 9 you can cancel. What is left? 1 is left. Yes, this will be 1 plus 8 upon 9, that is 9 upon 9. Whenever there are same number in the numerator and denominator, they will get cancelled. 1 is left. 9 upon 9 is same as 1. You can cancel this 9 and 9. 1 is left. So now this, let me do G part. G. B, C, D, E, F. No. See, I have done no. Because 9 is there in the numerator. 9 is there in the denominator. So whenever there are, yes, that is right, but we move one step further. Whenever there are same number in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel them and write them as 1. So whenever if they have different number, then I will write them different only. I will not cancel. Yes, whatever, if there are same number in the numerator and denominator, they will get cancelled and 1 is left. And how we are doing in the subtraction? See here, 5 minus 5, whenever we subtract two same number, we get the answer 0. Yes or no? 5 minus 5 we write 0. But whenever you have division 5 upon 5, it will be 1. See the difference. Whenever we subtract two same number, 5 minus 5 we write 0. But whenever we have 5 upon 5, we cancel 5 upon 5 and we write them 1. Is it clear? So denominator is same, no? 3. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Answer is 2 upon 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 upon 3 is the answer. Now let me do G part. Yes, mute the microphone. G. 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. Mute the microphone. Now we can add two like fractions. Like fraction means they have same denominator. Who is creating the disturbance? Like fraction means they have same denominator. Now denominator of 2 upon 5 is 5. Denominator of 3 upon 7 7. They are not like fraction. So to convert them into like fraction, first I will take LCM of denominator. So LCM of denominator, LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. You can find LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35. So now we want denominator as 35. So this I can write, this I can multiply by 7. So this first 2 upon 5 I will multiply and divide by 7. So 2 upon 7, 5 into 7 plus, now this is 3 upon 7. Now we want denominators, instead of 7 we want 35. So this I will multiply by 5 in denominator, numerator also will multiply by 5. So 3 into 5 upon 7 into 5. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 upon 35 plus 15 upon 35. So 14 upon 35 and 15 upon 35, they are like fractions because denominator is 35. So whenever you want to add two like fraction, we take the denominator 35 common and add the numerator. Numerator is 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15 is 29. Answer is 29 upon 35. This is the final answer. Yes. Yes. I have No, I have written 2 into 7 as 14. Huh? Huh? Yes? See, there are simple rule. If they are not like fraction, huh? Huh, yes. If they are not like fraction, you have to convert them into like fraction. To convert them into like, huh? To convert them into, huh? No, see, yes, you can use. Now G, no, they are different. We are using mass all the way. H is 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5. H mass all the way, textbook you refer. 6 by 5 plus 19 by 30. 6 by 5 plus 19 by 30. Now let me, H will be homework. H is homework, I will do. H is homework, I will do. Now 6 upon 5 and 19 upon 30. They are, wait, they are not like, yes, ask. No. You have to take LCM of the denominator by using division method. Division method we have studied, no? Denominator is 5, then 30. Now we take 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. Then I will take 6, 1, 1. Yes. LCM is 5 into 6. Yes. So LCM of 5 and 30 is 5 into 6. 5 into 6, that is 30. 15, yes. Now LCM of 5 and 30 is 30. Using division method you can find 5 30, 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30, 6 1 ja 6, 1 1 is to stop. So now I have to make the denominator as 30. So this I have to make denominator 30. So we multiply by 6. So 6 into 6 upon 5 into 6 plus this is already 30. So there is no need to multiply by any number because denominator is already 30. Denominator is already 30. Yes, you can write into 1. If you want to write into 1, write. No problem. Yes. Write into 1. Chalo. So 6 into 6, 36 upon 6 5 are 30 plus 19 into 1, 19 upon 30. Now 36 upon 30, 19 upon 30, they are like fraction because their denominator is 30, 30. So whenever you have two like fraction, then I will take the denominator common and add the numerators. Numerators are 36 plus 19. I will take denominator common 30, 30, 30. 30 plus 19 is 36 plus 19 is 55. 55 upon 30. 55 upon 30. Now see here, what you can do further. 55 upon 30, 55 I can write 5 into 11 and 30 I can write 5 into 6. Yes or no? No. See, maths all the way, textbook you have to refer. Wait. 36 plus 19 is 55. Now 55 I can write 5 into 11. 30 I can write 5 into 6. Now 5 I can cancel. Common number I can cancel. Same number I can cancel from numerator and denominator 5. So answer is 11 upon 6. Answer is 11 upon 6. So answer is 11 upon 6. You have to yes, we reduce it because if there are some common number, we can cancel the same number from numerator and denominator. That rule of mathematics we have to follow. you have to cancel the common or same number from numerator and denominator. If there is any same number, yes, I will advise you, you always cancel the same number from numerator and denominator. Yes, lowest term. This is the lowest term. Always write down the fraction in the lowest term, I will advise you. And lowest term we find by cancelling the same number. Yes. You write down that in the reduced form, lowest form. Then J is 3 by 5, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. This is my homework. K is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Wait. Yes, board is very much clear, right? Yes. Now 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 is homework. This J is homework. K I will do. K I am doing because in K there are 3 fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. They are unlike fractions. So whenever you have unlike fraction, your first job is to convert them into like fraction by taking LCM of denominator. So denominators are 2, 3, 4. My dear, yes, that is homework. Not 24. Not 24. LCM of 3 numbers. 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2, wait, no. We'll see that by using division method we can cross check 2, 3, 4. So 2 ones are 2, 3, 2 twos are 4, then 2, 1, 3, 2 ones are 2, then 3, 1, 1, 1, you have to stop. So LCM of denominator 2, 3, 4 is 2 into 2 into 3. LCM is 12, remember. LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. Are you getting? LCM of 2, 3, 4 is, LCM means least common multiple. Least common multiple means that number which is divisible by all the 3 numbers. 12 I can divide by 2, 12 I can divide by 3, 12 I can divide by 4. So 12 is the least common multiple. 24 will not be LCM because there is number 12 which is least. 24 you can divide by 2, 3, 4. 12 also you can divide by 2, 3, 4. But which is least, which is smaller? 12. So LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. Is it clear? Not 24. This you remember. So now we have to make denominator of each 12. You have to make denominator of each 12. So this 2 I have to multiply by 6. So 1 into 6 upon 2 into 6. Plus this you have to multiply by 4 because you want this as 12. So 1 into 4 upon 3 into 4. Plus this you have to multiply by 3. So 1 into 3 upon 4 into 3. So 1 into 6, 6 upon 12 plus 4 upon 12 plus 3 upon 12. Now all are like fractions. Denominator is 12, denominator is 12, denominator is 12. So all are like fractions. So I will take the denominator common. Wait, I will take the denominator common 12 and then I will add the numerator 6 plus 4 plus 3. 6 plus 4 plus 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 upon 12 is the answer. Answer? No, yes, because there is nothing common. So answer is 13 upon 12. So whenever you are given unlike fraction, to add that fraction, who is speaking in between? Yes, who is there? Just tell me the name. Aman Patel. Next time Man Patel will not be admitted for 1 week. Yes, it is too much. Your parent have to take care what your son is speaking in between. Today I will have a talk with the class teacher about Man Patel. Which class? 6B or 6A? Yes. 6A. Yes, ask the doubt. Where 6? Where I have taken, see, this is 2. This is 2. Wait, denominator is 2. We want denominator 12. So you have to multiply 2 by 6. This is 3. You have to multiply by 4 because we want denominator 12. We want denominator of each fraction as 12. 12, 12. So I have to multiply 2 by 6. I have to multiply 2 by 6. To make denominator 12, you have to multiply 2 by 6. Yes. Yes. See, we have completed 2. Wait. See. We have completed 2 chapters, and still you are asking the question whether this book is same or that book is same. The only textbook which I have prescribed is Maths All the Way textbook. Yes. Now why you are talking about this textbook, that textbook? Now K, L is 2 by 5 plus 3 upon 10. See, always find the LCM using division method. If there are more than 2, if the 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 10 plus 1 upon 4. So you have to find LCM of 5, 10, 4. That you find out. So L is homework. Now M, it is mixed fraction. 2 is to 2 by 5. No. 2 is to 2 by 5 plus 3 is to 1 by 6. It is not hard, remember. 2 is to 2 by 5 mixed fraction plus 3 is to 1 by 6. So first this mixed fraction we will convert them into fraction. So 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 upon 5 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19 upon 6. So now you have improper fraction 12 upon 5, 19 upon 6. Now they are not like fraction because denominators are 5 and 6. So I will take LCM of denominator 5 and 6. So LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So now let us make the denominator equal 30. So I have to multiply this 5 by 6. So 12 into 6 upon 5 into 6. To make denominator of 19 upon 6 as 30, I have to multiply 6 by 5. So 19 into 5 upon 6 into 5. So 12 into 6 is 72 upon 30. 95. 19 5 is 95 upon 30. So now they are like fraction. Denominator same 30 30. So I will add numerator. So 72 plus 95 upon 30. 72 plus 95 is 167 upon 30. The answer is 167 upon 30, which you can No, you cannot reduce. You cannot reduce. So this I will convert. Now this I will write in the mix. Yes. Now this, see, yes, if there is common, that you have to see. If there is common number, then you can cancel them and reduce. If no, this is improper fraction. So I can write down this in the mixed fraction form. By division, divide 167 by 30. So 35 is a 150. So 5 is to 7. So 5 is to 17 upon 30. This is the mixed fraction answer you have to write. 5 is to 17 upon 30. Is it clear? Mixed fraction. If it is mixed fraction, you convert them into, you write down the answer in terms of mixed fraction. If it is mixed fraction, you write down the answer in terms of mixed fraction, provided you are getting improper fraction. Now, so you can add or subtract two fractions provided they are like fractions. If they are not like fraction, they are unlike fraction, then we take LCM of denominator and convert them into like fractions. Now n 4 is to 2 by 5. 4 is to 2 by 5 plus 2 is to 1 by 5. This will be homework. O 8 is to 3 by 4. Plus 2 is to 1 by 6. This is homework. Then P 3 is to 2 by 3. Plus 1 is to 1 by 9. These three are homework. These three are homework. So this complete this first addition of fraction. Now let us do the second part, subtraction. Find the difference. Find the difference. Difference means yes. 17 by 15 minus 4 by 15. Yes. So find the difference. We can add or subtract two fraction or three fraction provided they are like fractions. To convert them into like fraction, we take LCM of denominator. So your first job is to identify any fraction, whichever is given, you have to identify whether it is like fraction or unlike fraction. Yes, the same way we will do for subtraction as we have done for addition. So your first job is to identify whether they are like fraction or unlike fraction by seeing the denominator. If denominators are equal, they are like fraction. Denominators are unequal, they are unlike fractions. If they are like fraction, just take the common denominator and add the numerator or subtract the numerator. So 7 upon 15 minus 4 upon 15. So minus is there. That is why it is called difference. Difference means minus. So 7 upon 15 minus 4 upon 15. Denominator is same, 15, 15. So they are like fraction. So whenever they are like fraction, we can subtract them. We take the denominator common 15 and subtract the numerator. So 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. That is 3 upon 15. Wait, 3 upon 15. Now 3, I can write 3 into 1. 15 I can write 3 into 5. Wait, 3 I can write 3 into 1. 15 I can write 3 into 5. Now 3 I can cancel. 3 I can cancel. What is left? Answer is 1 upon 5. Yes, answer is 1 upon 5. 3 we can cancel. The answer is 1 upon 5. Yes. 3 3 we can cancel. Whenever there are common term in numerator and denominator, you have to cancel and reduce that fraction to the lowest term. Reduce that fraction to the lowest term. Now next is 4 by 9. Now let us do B part. 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Yes. B 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Yes. 4 by 9 and 4 by 9, they are like fraction, 9 9. So I will take common. Then numerator it will be 4 minus 4. What is 4 minus 4? 0. 0 upon 9. So whenever numerator is 0, the answer becomes 0. Numerator is 0, the answer becomes 0. And when denominator is 0, it is not defined. So whenever numerator is 0, the answer becomes 0. So 0 upon 9 we write 0. Then C 5 by 8 minus 0 by 8. This will be homework. D 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Wait, still time is there. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So I will take LCM of denominator. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So this we convert into 6. So denominator we want 6. So I will multiply this by 3. So 1 into 3 upon 2 into 3 minus this I will multiply by 2 because we want denominator 6. So 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. So that is 3 ones are 3. 3 upon 6 minus 2 ones are 2. 2 upon 6. Now they are like fraction 6 6. So I can take denominator 6 common. And then it will be 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 1 upon 6. The answer is 1 upon 6. Yes, now it is 11:20. Now we stop it. Bye, bye, bye. Yes, bye everybody. Yes, yes, yes. Bye everybody. Bye, 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 bye. Take care.